extra crispy, but whatever. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, aka Britt Smiley, and today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. I've only done like one mukbang on my channel before, so this is gonna be my second. I got pizza from this place called Bruno's Pizza in Tampa. That's just a large pepperoni, large sausage, garlic bread. And then I went to Salem's and I got chicken tenders and fries. So yeah. I don't even know what you're supposed to say in the mukbang. I put out a poll on my YouTube channel in the community section, and I was like, what type of video should I film today? And I had the most people respond to this chicken tender is really good. The most people ended up responding to mukbang. So I was like, okay, I'll film a mukbang. But I'm not really a talker while I eat. I usually like watch TV while I eat. Or like watch YouTube videos. So I doubt I'm gonna even finish all this food because it's a lot of food. But I might, because I haven't eaten all day. This is garlic bread. This is actually kind of good. Yeah, I haven't eaten all day. But that's kind of a usual thing for me. I don't really eat during the day. I just kind of like eat at night. But tonight I was planning on cooking. But instead of cooking, I'm doing a mukbang. Oh, I'm pretty good. I'm supposed to be on a diet, like eating healthier. And let's just blew that fucking diet out the water. Like all these carbs, just grease. Let me try the pizza. It's supposed to be a New York style pizza. Hopefully it is. Like, and hopefully it's good. Obviously the size of it will kind of tell you New York style. Look it up. Oh, that's good. Ultimately, I'm just planning on talking shit. With whatever comes to mind. I went viral the other day on Twitter. I'll insert the tweet. So follow me on Twitter so you can see my funny shit, because obviously I'm funny. I just have on brows and lashes with a little bit of highlight. Because I didn't want to put a full face on just to eat. I thought that was stupid. And I'm comfortable in my natural skin, so big pizza. I know you're not supposed to edit these, but like, wouldn't that be boring? I don't watch too many mukbangs. I usually watch like get ready with me's. Honestly, I'll watch anything, but most of the people that I subscribe to don't really do mukbangs like that. Tastes so good. I'm honestly already full, but I've only been filming for like 9 minutes. And I feel like it was pointless for me to get all this food if I don't make a decent video. My stomach is like, bitch. Bitch. It's summer right now in Tampa. Well, for college students. I think it's summer for everyone now, but for sure, as high school, that's as high school students, as college students are in summer. I'm just in summer classes right now, but I'm like so ready for summer beta start because that's when all the parties start. And although like I usually stay in my house, I love a good pool party. I love a good reason to go put on a bathing suit. Even when I'm feeling self-conscious, like I just love being in the water, in a bathing suit, having fun. I should have asked for 2 honey mustards because this ranch is ass. So today, I got a wax for the first time on my vagina. My pum-pum is snatched. Like, she is glistening. She looks smooth. But I don't even know why I did it. Because I'm celibate. If you guys watched my last video, you already know that. This isn't lip gloss no more. This is pizza grease. Oh my goodness. Yes, you are correct. I'm sitting on my floor. Oh, I'm so full. I'm so focused on eating the food that I'm forgetting I should probably be talking. I'm just like, I don't know what you want me to do. I'm hungry. My roommate's home. I don't know what to talk about, you guys. Like, I'm just chilling right now. Life's like very nonchalant.
She's doing a fucking mukbang right now.
I tried, but I can't finish my food.
Damn, Brittany, I wish I would have knew you were getting food. Why? You should have told me. I already fucking done got fucking ale house.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you
That
were
pizza
home.
looked
I didn't
good.
know you were home. Remember you left before me?
Where'd you get that pizza from?
This pizza is from Bruno's Pizza. It's right across the street from...
That garlic bread look good as fuck.
You got some.
Yeah, I say nothing but a word.
You have some too, Nikki, if you want some.
Thank you. I have my mouth out. I don't want too much.
I was trying to film a mukbang, but... so I can't think of nothing to talk about.
Are you listening for buck?
Yeah.
Mm.
I thought it would help me be more hungry, but I'm full. But now I'm about to. Are you trying to get in it? Put your face lower.
I'm struggling.
Meet the roommates.
Where am I?
Get lower.
Bitch, I'm as low as I can be.
No,
You
you're
know
not. Yeah, sure. Come in front of me. You're not even in the. Ew, why should you make those noises?
Weird ass bitch.
I've only been filming for 16 minutes. Like, this is such a struggle for me right now. Like,
I'm going to smoke my blunt.
I'm struggling.
Well,
Are you talking to me? Nikki's chilling.
bitch, fuck. I'm excited. I'm a big brother, Brittany.
No problem.
All day. You guys want to hang out?
Sure.
Well, actually, yeah, you guys want to hang out?
Sure. Those are my roommates. I always hang out with them. Like on my Snapchat, I do daily doses of geisha, which is just geisha coming in my room and bothering me. Because I'm like super antisocial, so she usually has to come in my room and bother me. But as of late, I've been pretty good. I go to her room and bother her. Okay. Oh. About to go watch Death at a Funeral with my roommates. So I'm gonna close out this video. This wasn't that long for mukbang, I know. I suck at like talking videos. Well, and I do videos where I don't talk, you guys don't like them, so I'm gonna have to keep talking. But yeah, I have some controversial shit I want to talk about. I might do another unpopular opinions video. Let me know if you guys want me to do that. Cause there's some shit going on in social media world. And some people need to be put on blast or checked or informed because they're being stupid and ignorant. But yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys sat down and ate with me. I tried to make it like 20 minutes, but we're like falling short by like a minute. This pizza's really good. I'm about to flip it and I can start eating it real fast. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, period. My name is Brittany. AKA Brit Smiley. Stay fed, my beautifuls. Stay beautiful. I fell asleep.